Hello. We stream. We stream. Why must we stream? For whom? And for why? Shall I just restart my thingy? Oh, YouTube. What do you mean there's no live streams divine, brother? There we go. Okay. I'm continuing my re-snackter. For changing interaction actions from U objects. He is shitting. If he is sitting, handle sitting interact text. Shit. Well, shit. Let's just not do anything for now. Build mode, okay. It's in build mode. Character state tags. Is in build mode. Oh, the building component. Still blueprints only. Okay, so I might just kick that off into blueprints as well. Make this a blueprint native event or something, maybe? We'll see. I guess moving the building component into C++ is something I wanted to do someday. Is today that day? Is today that day? out hit was this? Not quite. Interact, distance. We should probably be on game mode. Oh, if we're in build, wait. If we are in build mode, we do 99999, which is never the case because we do that. Well. Nice go. Thank you, bro. Thank you for the schmeckles. Good morning. Include entities. True. What else is on here? Box trace. I don't think we do box trace, do we? No.
Hello.
Hello. Bruce.
It's
John C.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Welcome in, guys. Good morning. I am just getting started this morning.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
What the dog doing?
What the dog doing? Welcome in, guys. How's your stream? How go the procedural adventures? I believe is what I last saw you working on. I am currently trying to change some blueprints into C++, refactoring away from classes. I'm only using structs now. We're going full Doom mode on this bitch. John Carmack would be proud. You interact utils get interaction interface from hit out hit. Oh yeah, we also need this thing, which is weird. I don't know if I need this anymore. We'll just call it success or something, I don't know. In the last 2 weeks fixing bugs with the terrain, I finally got to the thing I wanted to do. What is the thing you wanted to do? It's exciting. Isabella, welcome. It is exciting. And then we have a interact utils should interaction trace update. And then I'm saving an interact action, which I guess now I'll just use the ECS store. Starting to spawn content in my game world. Oh, hell yeah. That's a big step. So I can do game loop. Yeah. I remember I was there all not that long ago, and I've been doing refactors ever since, basically. I still don't really have a game loop, but I can spawn things in the world. I can do things. There's not really a point to any of it. What kind of game loop are you gonna have? I don't know that I know. I just know you're doing procedural stuff. From 0% to 100%, how long have you come? Oh, games don't have a 100%. They are never finished. But my answer is question mark. My answer is question mark. Get copy of F interact action on this entity. I absolutely hate how writers first option is to take a ternary and put it on 2 lines. I hate that. How long to launch? Like 20 years, probably. 20, 25 years. Going to be big RTS in a fantasy setting. Nice. Going to go from village to village and mix it up based on that. Sometimes base building and resource gathering and production, or unit train or finding monsters or something. Hell yeah, dude. I fucking love RTS, man. My shit. Warcraft 3, StarCraft, little AoE 2. Oh no, the old interact action isn't that at all, actually. This is the old interact action. Interacting entity, hit result, out, new interact action. Oh, we do it with the hit result. I'm a big dumb. I'm a big dumb. Okay. That looks good. You can just do that. Inline that. Get interaction interface from hit. I mean, that's kind of a weird function now. They used it anywhere else. Oh yeah, it's used all over the place. Okay, never mind. I was gonna delete it, but guess not. Guess not. We should update. Okay, so if we should set the new interact action ECS, add entity new interact action, interaction trace hit result. Yeah, let's see if we can get rid of that. We're just getting the interaction interface. I feel like I should just be getting the interact action and then going interact with object, cast to interaction interface. Can I just pass that right in? No, I can't. Like I should just be doing that. We'll leave this here for just in case it doesn't work. Just in case. Are you gonna have heroes in your RTS, Bruce, if you're still here? That's the question. That is the question. Yes and no. Okay. Elaborate. Okay, so we don't need that. And then we do update interact widget. Let me look at the building component here. Very cool. Okay, let's make a C++ base class for that. And politics and stuff. They'll be main characters. But they'll be just as squishy as your average foot soldier. Ah. Almost like a, there's a game mode in AoE 2. What was it, Regicide? Where you had to like protect your king, and he was just like a squishy little unit that you had to hide in your base. Something like that. Okay, let's we rebuild or what? What are we doing here? What are we doing here? You basically don't want to use them. Yeah, sounds similar. Unless you really have to, because the thing that needs to be done can only be done by them. So is this going to be multiplayer or single player? Maybe I should make the parent return a bool here so I can know whether I need to fucking do anything. Would love multiplayer and build some stuff for that, but I have no idea how to make usual multiplayer format fit. That's okay, it's more of a headache. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. So I just need... I need T object pointer, U actor, Smith, or A actor, sorry. Okay, that's what we need there. And then let's make... Where is the player? And then return a boolean as well. Okay. What? What? The fuck is this? All I did was add a new class and a function, and now it's telling me all this shit's wrong. Hello, please? What the fuck is it? What the fuck is this about? This makes no sense. Do I have to clean build? I don't want to have to rebuild the entire project. Right, or why do you do this to me? Maybe I should also add this component in C++ here. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a full rebuild. That's super annoying. I have no idea why. Zero idea why I have to do this. Clean. Rebuild. I mean, I guess now would be a good time to go get some more coffee. I have 527 things to build. So I'm gonna go do that. BRB, I guess. Okay, the same issue. What the, just because I added a goddamn component? What is this? You know what? Let's import building base here. Is that the issue? What the fuck, dude? What the hell is this? Oh, because I never forward declared that? Why is that just now becoming an issue though? Is that... Dude, what is C++ doing under the hood, man? What is going on? No, it still doesn't like it. I guess I have to like fully import it then. Yeah, I mean, I guess that... What a weird... Okay, and now... I have to import gameplay tag container. Huh. Why on earth did me creating a new class expose that issue? I guess like maybe something to do with precompiled headers, maybe. It just got moved to a different like bundle or whatever. Oh boy, I wish I had some programming language that had like deterministic compilation without needing to use PCHs or anything. Someone could just take Jai and make a commercially available game engine from it, so I don't have to do that, and that would be great. That would be fantastic, actually. What a weird fucking issue, man. Oh god, get that out of here. No, I don't want white space sensitive programming language. I don't want it. Function name is already used. Wait. Okay, so let's rename this then. _old. There we go. There we are. There we go. Good. Good. My god, the blueprints. Speaking of AoE 2. Oh, because I changed this thing, right? Is weird. Okay, rebuild again. Okay, now can I reparent this? No, because I hit a freaking button. What button I hit? I still can't reparent it. Wait, why? Is that what I need? Oh, I'm so close to making my own engine. Oh, one more little annoying thing. Oh, I might need a sweatshirt. It's a little chilly. A little chilly. But just a blanket lazily draped over myself. Yes, that will do. That will do. Okay, now can I reparent? Thank you. Now, did that actually get rid of the placement building ones? I think it did. Did that just like rewire everything up automatically as well? I think it did. Oh wow. Okay. Not gonna build my new engine now. I'm just being me. I'm not actually gonna do that. I don't want to do that. I would like to actually get something done. Yeah, that just worked. Wow. Wow. Okay. So now I can go down here. And we can handle build mode here. Make interact. with entity action. God, how many parentheses are there? All of them. All of them. Oh god, I keep pressing the wrong buttons. Okay. I still need to do this update interact widget here. Although maybe I can just do that if I return true. Or like updated. Yeah, I think I can just do that. I think I can just do that. Random game portion. Hello. I am working on a game. Doing some refactors right now, nothing super crazy. I'm working on an RPG Colony Sim Roguelite combo here. That all looks good. This is the new one. Okay, so if we have handled it, let's go ahead and do that. It should just be the interacting with, I believe. If we've handled it. If we haven't, build mode, we don't need to do that anymore now. Is this it? Is this all we need now in blueprints? We're not going to set the interaction trace anymore. We're doing that already. We've done that already. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so this just got a fuck ton simpler. Let's do a sequence here. Okay, does this still work? It still does not work. Okay. It sounds copyright. I'm borrowing it. It's fine if you're just borrowing it. That's the law. So if you're just borrowing it and you give it back later, it's fine. What happened to my fucking item hierarchy? What fucking happened here? God damn it. Who broke the item hierarchy? Okay, but now I can't interact with this motherfucker. I wanted to move this into C++ so I could debug it a bit easier. Let's rebuild here. What's the game about so far? I just said RPG Colony Sim Roguelite. Are we even fucking getting here? Oh, we're still calling the old one. We are still calling the old one. That would explain it. That would explain it. The game is about refactors so far. Interact with entity is null. I guess all the other interact actions are going to be wrong, aren't they? Yeah. I should be getting there, and I'm not. Right, okay, so I'm not getting an entity hit. We're not doing the box trace. Yeah, we're doing that. What am I doing here? This doesn't even make sense. What am I doing, brother? That's got an entity there. I mean, I'm not filtering that or anything. Oh, does the other one reset it? No, nothing should be resetting that. Oh, they're all two. Oh, that's why. They're doing a multi. And where am I? Am I just returning like the first one? What am I doing here? Also, this is not necessarily doing a box trace. Okay, we should prioritize the one under the cursor. Yes, so we do false. Is interactable. Ah, I see. I see. I do see. And I should just be doing like get interaction You interact utils. Hit interaction interface from hit. Turns a boolean, yeah. I already had this code, so I don't need to duplicate this. Go away, please. Go away, please. Thank you. Okay. We are live coding, and there we go. Cool. There we go. Now we're getting to that thing. Yes. Okay. Oh boy. There is no interact with object on that guy. Why not? There fucking should be, brother. Oh my god, it's still not working. Maybe it's just the, hang on, maybe it's just the text. No, it's not. No, it's not. Maybe it is. Where did it go? Still here? Okay, I clicked next and I guess we just the interact with object was not oh yeah, because that's the wrong interact action, right? I said this. I literally said this would happen. I literally said this would happen. Yeah, we want to do this now. Interaction trace old. You are dead to me. Update interact widget. Is this ever different? Is the interaction interface ever any different here? Kind of. I'll leave that the same for now, but I feel like I might be able to change that. Might be able to get away with that. Make it a bit simpler. Okay, that's consider yourself fixed. Okay. Also, before I do that, delete. It should be fine. It's probably using the wrong one here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it deleted the local variable too. Or maybe I didn't make that a local. I did make that a local variable. I just wasn't setting the right one. Boop. 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 Okay. Okay, he is interacting with me. The text is all wrong though, because there is none. There is no text. Okay. Let me run that back, actually. Did I clear the logs there? Interacting interface was none. Okay. All right, then. I check if it's a valid interface though, so wait, what's the deal here then? Interacting with is not getting set. I think I probably forgot to set that. Though, should I just get rid of that? Should I just get rid of that and just use interact with object? I think so. Like, let's consolidate them, you know? Let's reduce the number of things. Changed in 11 blueprints. Just what I like to see. Just what I like to see. I think we can comment that out. And by comment, I mean delete. Yeah, I'm basically... God, this is so confusing. Who wrote this spaghetti-ass code here? And then maybe I need to write a little blueprint function. Get interaction act. Okay, that's gonna be our little funky wonk there. Which is the same thing that we did there. Oh boy, can't wait for this to not work. Oh boy. Fuck it, just delete it. I won't need that. I won't need to remember what was here first. Can't I just cast it? Oh, I have get interacting actor. Or this interact, it's basically the same thing. I just cast it to an actor. Well, I'm getting the proc. Well, no, it's different. Get interacting actor. That's me. That's self. Here. I think. I'll leave that as is for now. I don't know what the fuck's going on there. Building mode. End build mode. And the clear interact is not blueprintable. Okay, are we done building? Didn't I just do that? Oh, it has to be an actor. Get distance to other actor. Okay, I'm gonna have to write another function here. Put it in entity utils. We're gonna make a distance, simple distance function here. Dist. Between entity. It's gonna be a lot better. Well, yeah. Oh no. No, I think this should be fine. Should it be the entity or the interact with object? On the interact action, I have an interact with object and an interact with entity. The interact with entity is really just like that. I should probably change the name. It should be like target entity. And then interact with object should just be interaction interface object. I think that would be a lot more clearer. More gooder. Oh boy, a lot's changing. Why am I making an interact action? Just reuse the existing one. Sure, there's a reason. I'm sure there was a reason I was doing that. Oh yeah, I turned this off, didn't I? Wasn't even doing that anyway. Well, it's wired back up now in case I want to. I mean, we'll just disconnect there. Do 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 do. Okay, we're not crashing. That is good. What is my game thread doing right now? Just slate things. My render thread just taking 20 milliseconds. That's cool. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Da-da-doo-doo. Okay. Okay, so it's this one, I think, that I needed. Okay. All that's there, which means I should be getting the interact event in the proxy actor. Where's my dude at? There he is. Yeah, okay, so we have that there. We do be having that. Okay, let's just step forward. Step forward. Moxie, that was very rude. Moxie, be good. There you go. There's a good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Interacting character is me. Parent interact. Okay, so that's in here. Okay. That all looks good. That all looks well and good. So when we update the interact widget, why are we not going on here? Yeah, we should have it. So why is the UI not showing up, huh? Well, I can select the options. They're just not showing on my screen. That's very rude. Where do I want to check here? In the update interaction trace, right? Udpate. Yeah, that's how you spell that. Yeah, I mean that seemed valid. Yes. Oh. Well, that would explain it, yeah. Wrong one. Wrong one. He's always hiding. He's hiding amongst the trees, this guy here. Okay, yeah, now we're getting to it. Oh, I can talk to him from like a mile away, can't I? Whoa. What changed there? And then it doesn't update anymore. Okay. So it shouldn't, that text should go away. Oh, we're like automatically making the interact with object there. Even though I'm not like talking to him yet. What do I want to do there? Because there's kind of like two stages to the interaction. And what was I doing before? I think that's what I was using the interacting with for. It's like a proxy for that. That does make sense. Also, I don't know, like, do I need this bit right here? This gameplay tag now, its meaning is kind of construed. There needs to be like an interaction state. The stat, yeah, the interaction status, that's what it should be. Which I said I think I was going to... It should be like started, right? Yeah, so ECS has F interact action started tag. Yeah, and then when I click interact, it should start it. In the proxy actor. Let's just do. Then I need the interacting entity, which is interact action. Yeah. Start both interact actions. So that we know player has talked, or I'll say is talking to the NPC. Okay, and then that's what we're going to use here. Action started, cool. And then we cleared all when on end already, so that should automatically get cleared up. Run live coding there. Okie dokie. Live coding, if you could finish at any point. That would be cool. Thank you. Only took a full minute. Yeah, once again, we're still getting here when we shouldn't be. Yeah, the interaction has started, even though I didn't press interact. Wait, let me scooch this up just so I can see it for debug purposes. Oh my god, my kingdom for instant reloads. Oh my gosh. Your status is started. Maybe it should be F interaction. Interacting. Where the fuck is my there? Live coding again. Let's restart. Dude, what? It's still. Wait, why is it marked as in progress here? The status is fucking none. Yeah, wait, we've skipped. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Okay, I see the condition now. It's a different scenario happening here. Should interaction trace update? There's something here we're not handling, basically. New interact action. I mean, at some point this should have been... This should have returned true. Yeah, so like here. Oh, I see. We need to clear it if it's null. I think I'm not doing that. We need to clear this. Yeah, so false here. You're just always clear. Hit me with one of these guys here. There we go. There we go. Okay. Ah, but it's not sticking. Status is none. The status is none. Whoops. Oh, I don't have it. I had never added it. There we go. I did want to remove that too. How much time have you spent staring at code? I don't think numbers go that high. I'm no mathematician, though. Oh, I need to actually, like, end the interaction, don't I? Okay, and now the end is not ending. But I did decide that I wanted that. I did decide I wanted that. Ah, yes. Okay, so here... clear interact data. What's where else am I doing that at? I want, no, I didn't want you to collapse everything. Interact is completely empty now, so just delete that. And build mode. Was the function gone now? The one I don't even remember what it was called. I guess it is. Okay. Okay, well now it's sticking. God damn it, now it's not clearing the fucking thing. Not clearing the damn dialogue. That should have happened in the proxy actor. Did I ever fucking end up interacting with him? What the hell here? What the hell here? Yeah. Oh, you know what it is. I ended up skipping the interaction processor. Yeah, okay, so I don't want to do this entity. Yeah, because we effectively made it skip the interaction processor. On accident. I think that's the answer. I was playing No Rest for the Wicked last night. Every every game where there's like some medieval British goons that you have to fight, they're always like, "What's this said?" When you like walk up to them or something, you know, and they start blasting. What's this said? It's so quintessential, and I love it. And they say it in the dumbest fucking voice, like a fucking peasant. Bro, can we link the goddamn patch, please? Oh, we're breakpointed, that's why. Okay, the patch has been linked. There we are. There we are. There we are. Okay, we are still not ending. We are still not ending the interaction properly. No, sir. We are even getting there. We are not. We are not getting there. That's not the right button. The fuck? Ah, yes. Of course. Wrong one, no. Go here. Make interact action. We just get entity, get interact action. Good, good. Never mind, not good. Okay. We didn't actually end this interaction, did we? Did we now? We didn't actually fucking get there. What? We got there though, I saw that the first time. I think so. No, oh wait, what the fuck happened? Close some of these. Oh, did I got rid of my players into interaction, didn't I? No, I didn't. Never mind. No, I didn't. I did get interacting actor here. Yeah, that's just myself. Yeah, I think get interacting. Get interacting with. I think that's what we need to do there. All right then. Get interacting with is fucking null. No, it's not. It is. The debugger just didn't want to show me.
All right, then. Keep your secrets.
That's right. Okay, now we've gotten to the thing. What is that? Get interacting actor. Okay. Is that necessary?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either, but we'll leave it there. Okay, now we are... Okay. Now the interaction has ended. And my watch has begun. For the night is dark and full of bugs. And spaghetti. Okay, so that all of that is fucking working. Okay. Jesus Christ, what a saga. I hate interaction stuff, man. Why am I doing this logic in the... Clear target. That's on cast failed. Oh, and then we do this. How do you... yeah. Clear target. Okay. How do you IREF? Yeah, I guess I get why I did this in here. A little awkward. There's noodles everywhere, sir. Well, what are you doing? Cook them. We're trying, but they're getting out of control. Okay. Why did I do that? Why did I compile at runtime? I shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't have done that.
I shouldn't have said that. I should not have said that. I shouldn't have said that.
Bro, what do y'all think of that new Harry Potter stuff, huh? New Harry Potter series? Will be interesting. Okay, my interaction distance is like crazy far now. Crazy far. 1,000, huh? Yeah, we need to update that. Need to update that. We don't want to use that anymore, basically. I feel like there's a lot of... Do I do this in a lot of places? Yeah, well, yeah. Let's make a function... interact with target. I don't know, like I need to like do interact with object or something. Form interaction. Do interact. I'll just do interact with object. Interact with object, cast it, pass it in, yeah. Yeah, I think there's going to be a lot of places where I do that from. I say. Wait, what? I'm doing the same fucking thing here. Do interact. Well, I guess there was only like one place I was actually doing that at. That's kind of fine though. It is the exact same. What's your policy to decide what to keep in BPs? If it hasn't made me hate my life, it can usually stay in there. That's about as deep as it goes for me. Okay, that interaction is still working, and I can talk to him from like a mile away, which is kind of nice. Hey, you, come over here. It'd be cool if I did like a little wave or something, like, hey. Hey, oi. Okay, the end interaction is not working here. Oi, oi. Calling end interaction on myself. Oh, it's a container building, not the area building. Oh, my own UI is open too. Oh, right, because I'm like looking at it. Yeah, this is why I had the whole interact with. Yeah, okay, so we're changing fifth. We're changing it, okay. How do I want to handle this? It's basically like if the interaction hasn't actually started. I think I actually want to override the interact here. Oh, right. There is no interact. Yeah, I changed it to handle interact. Okay, gotta rebuild. I think actually, maybe we don't do that. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, let me BRB while that rebuilds. Okay. Back. Hello. Hi, Moxie. You wanna come here, Moxie? Oh, there's a chunky puppy. Hi. So sleepy. Okay. Okay. What's I forgot what I was doing. I forgot it. Oh yeah, we did the in progress, right? Or I was going to. Or the in interacting, yeah. It is the player entity though, right? Yeah. Interacting with nothing. So now in player controller, if interacting with and do I have a get interact action status? I do. Conan, happy Monday, welcome. God, I really really want to just put this in C++. But all of these functions are like blueprint functions. Okay, let's make another function here. Is interact action say is interacting? And then just name that entity. Try it again. Okay, try it again. Sorry, had to fan out my luscious hair there. Okay. is interacting. Is interacting. And honestly, I don't even need to check this first one, because then that's automatically going to be false. I believe. Okay, now let's check this. Okay. There we go, perfect. Okay, and then we get to this case. So I just need to clear... Let me see here. We just want to clear... Hello, please. Ryder, come back to me. We lost him! Okay, there we go. Else, you interact utils, clear interact data for entity. That's what we want to do. We'll avoid it. Perfect. Perfect. That's just called inspect. That's not right. Also, why is it stuck? I think I need to actually end the interaction. I think I need to end the interaction. I think the interact needs to return, yeah, it returns whether we're finished interacting, right? It's true if we've finished, yeah, yeah. Oh, okay. Dude, I fucking blanked out there for a second. Wasn't even looking at the right function. Wasn't even looking at it. That is only finished. So yeah, we return just that. Yeah, we don't give a shit about anything else there. Okay, so now what we can do is branch off that. False should go to interacting. do interact. I don't even use the return value from that, so just end. Well, here. Easy peasy, actually. Don't even need a branch. True if we're still interacting. No, it's true as if we're finished. So, other way. Completed, interacting. There we go. Beautiful. Wrong text, but and that updates nicely as well. Only issue though is this one does not say place blankety blank on it. It doth not. Why don't we say that? We are not interacting perchance. Do I care about that right now? So in the update, I feel like I forgot a thing here. I think this build mode isn't working. Run live coding on that and see what happens. Yeah, we're not getting there, are we? Oh, it's not being set properly. Okay, so that does get set. Okay. Why is it null pointer there? Oh, you know what it is? It's the wrong build. There's two building components now. Yeah, that's the issue. That's why. Oh shit, and we need to like cast it. Oh, that's so annoying too. Okay. Oh, wait, and it all got fucking changed. No? Where was the other one? There's supposedly one more here. Ah. There it is. Oh no. Oh no. How many fucking default settings were on that component? Because yeah, it's not a blueprint version of it, is it? I should not have done that.
I shouldn't have said that. I should not have said that. I shouldn't have said that.
Oh boy. I can't wait to see how many things are broken with the building system now. I mean, theoretically, they all should have been changed in the component blueprint, not the character component. So hopefully nothing. Pray for me. Okie dokie. Okay. Yeah, so that's not there anymore. Can't I replace? There we go. Replace references. And it didn't even fucking work. I still have to manually go through each one. Jesus fucking Christ, blueprints. Every time I'm like, oh, it can actually do something I want it to do. No, it can't. Okay, it actually works. It actually works. Yay! Okay, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Yay! Yay! Wait a second. What's going on there? Why didn't our text update? We did not refresh the interaction once we ended build mode. But we should have. Let's, yeah, I don't need to pass that in anymore. Does it work like this? Will it call it multiple times? Or can I do this as well? The whole thing with like the blueprint const functions is like if you just call them normally, or if you just use the blueprint pure function, it'll call it multiple times, which is why I always make a variable. But if that works, then I won't have to do that anymore. Sounds nice. Yay. Oh, it's all working so nicely now. Yay. Yay. Okay. Do you still work? Good. Join my colony. Now we need to test out your interactions. Oh no, he's running to the wrong place. Okay. Let's turn off my debug trace. Okay, so the construction move to was wrong. So we did get down here. This didn't change at all, so I don't know why. I don't know why that would be different now. Let's do a breakpoint there. And then in the interaction processor, I am quite sure that we should be initializing pathfinding properly. That looks like a correct thing. Yeah. I didn't check it the next time. Yeah, I mean that looks correct. The find path to target is not correct, though. Wait, why is he doing this now? Oh, it was a new target. He keeps trying to construct it. Wait, player. We should exclude players from this. We should always exclude players, probably. Okay, that's going to be a lot less confusing for me to debug now. Oh no, it's broken. Hang on. Get some actual good error logs here. Do I need to import that? Probably. I think I probably just need to import that. Okay. Did I remove the breakpoint? No, that's still there. Okay. You there. The interacting entity is null, which is interesting. I don't think it's needed here. I mean, I'll add it just to make sure. Oh, it is needed. Yeah, it is needed. Because otherwise we just did that. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay, let's try that again. Now he got there. He is stuck though. Yeah, he's like not trying to do the interaction. Does he still have path following? He still has path finding. Path finding never got removed. Hang on. Let's start this over. Yeah, his pathfinding never gets removed. Where do I usually remove that at? It shouldn't be continuous tracking, right? Ah, it is. That's why. That's why. Interact thing. It's a fun way to spell that. Interact thing. Okay, so we gotta redo that because he got the wrong pathfinding information. Oh, he like ends the interaction immediately. Okay, now we're actually constructing. Hell yeah. There we go. Perfect. He shouldn't immediately... What is this? Interact option widget. Oh, because he already like ran away or whatever. Okay, so when I select join my colony, he shouldn't immediately be ending the current interaction. Where would that be happening from? I feel like that's just because of the construction processor. Ah, yes, we're excluding interact data. F interact action is what we should be doing here. I will need to change all of them. Yeah, I need to change all of the task processors. So that's going to be forge task processor. Prime Saku 67. Welcome in. What are you building? Spaghetti code. What I'm building. Gonna be an RPG Colony Sim Roguelite. Okay. Okay. We're back to construct processor. And then haul task processor as well. You prefer Slate over UMG? I hate them both. Is that an explicit? Is that a applicable answer? Okay. Any other processors? I need to interact. Yeah. I think Slate is good for places where game thread is frozen. Cool. Thank you for sharing. Okay, I think that's it. Let's go ahead and live code here. Actually, just rebuild. Okay, didn't like interact. Oh, because I didn't import it. Where is interact actions? It's in interaction. Probably should not be anymore. I need to restructure my whole file system, man. My whole project structure. You write all the code in C++, you use BP2. It mostly C++. Blueprints are too volatile and too annoying to read, write, organize, follow, maintain, all of the above. Source control for blueprints sucks. So many things in blueprints are just named differently than they are in C++. So that's super annoying as well. Okay. Come here. You. Come here. Okay, good. Good. You didn't go to the closest one, though. That's interesting. Uh-oh. Right, he's stuck again. What are you doing, brother? I don't think we are getting there. Interact with play. Does he still have the interact with player action? No. No, he doesn't. So he doesn't have path following or finding. Interacting, succeeded, or failed. Is he currently he is currently interacting. What are your specs? Your PC seems fast. Which specs are you curious about? Let's go to the building. Use it anyway. Okay, so we did get here. What on earth is this? No, thank you. Okay. Execute Order 66. What do we got here? I now get why every streamer has their specs underneath their stream. Yeah, this all looks good. Yeah. Oh, okay, now he's good. Now he's not. What are you doing? Huh. And I didn't interrupt his interaction there. Oh dear. Yes, the mantling settings. Falcon G. Passing by to drop my prime. Well, thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Let's try that again. But he does have the interacting, right? I appreciate it, man. Thank you for the support. I hope you have a good day as well. Thank you. Action interacting tag. When do I actually update to interacting? Right here. Oh, was he still moving? Does he have the moving tag? He does still have the moving tag. We're interacting too soon. That's what's happening there. Okay, so yeah, right now my system has no way to respond to that. Yeah. a bit of an issue. Yeah, I guess I kind of need to listen for that. Yeah, okay, so this is a good failure case here. Because he just tries to fire off this construct building bango, and that's it. Don't want to have to make a whole ass delegate. If false, I forget, do I have ability listeners? Yeah, I guess I have no way to check if an ability, like, succeeded or failed. And it never would have added any tags. Like, I would just stop move velocity, which I'm going to do, but I want to be able to handle this as well. Where would I want to do that at? Because, yeah, I mean, that would be kind of important. I could make a whole ass blueprint node for it. Yeah, I should make a whole blueprint node for it. I think this is where I'll leave off for today. Because I'll want to think about how I want to do. Could do it by tag, asset tag. Could do it by class. There's several different ways. The ability is not its own entity. Yeah, and we're in a parallel for loop as well. Or I could make a list of things that succeeded and failed. I think I'll probably just end up doing it the same way as like the tag listeners. The tag and effect listeners. I'd have to call back on the game thread though, if there are any. Which would probably just be like a T-map of maybe ability class to, so it would need to be an array of listeners, which is kind of an annoying data structure. Yeah, and for every ability that executes, you'd have to check that. Ugh. That's gonna slow down ability execution. I don't like that. I don't like that. I mean, I guess you could just add ability failed data and ability succeeded data, as those are the two events. They would need to be arrays though. Arrays or create a new entity, which I think would probably be slower than just adding the data to the existing entity. And then you iterate over those. See, the thing is, you still have to do so much iteration and checking. Is there any better way to do it? How didn't this happen before as well? So far, there's literally only one ability that I give a shit about whether or not it succeeded or failed. So it's like I don't want to have to add to the applyability processor when most abilities don't give a shit. Make it even slower, you know? there a better way? We execute interact. We go to interacting. I could just iterate over. Yeah, I could just make a construction processor, iterating over interacting ones. That could be good here. And then I can check. Whether or not they're constructing. Then it would loop back around. And it would have failed by the time we get back here. So really we can just listen to the update. And I can just check the tags too, right? Construct. Ability failed. I guess I do need the belongs to colony, don't I? Wait, can I press and hold? No, okay. Where's my dude at? Okay. We got plenty for you to construct, good sir. Okay, we did get there. Still didn't, yeah, I mean, I guess we never retried. Yeah, so I gotta update the interact action. ECS, let's do this. Remove F interact action interacting tag. Yeah. That'll do it. I think that'll do it. Okay, we got there. Does he retry the interaction? Yeah, he did. Nice. Okay, got there again. Okay, so that succeeded. Don't know why that's happening. Okay, but now let's like fix the root of the issue, which is U entity utils, I think. Now we basically shouldn't see that at all. I did, yeah, we have the breakpoint there. So yeah, it's seems to be working more proper. Nice. Nice. Why are you not idling at all? He's in a somewhat weird state right now. He's supposed to idle for a bit in between each move. But this says he's in the idle state. Oh, he's got timer entity data? Oh, now he is. Weird. What? But now he's not. Okay, I don't. I'll look at that some other time. I'm gonna get on up out of here, guys. Go to work. Oh, who are we sending you guys to? Stevie Ray Drawn it is. Thanks everyone for chilling with me. Appreciate it. Appreciate you guys being around to see some interaction stuff get working again. Till next time, I'll see you all. Goodbye.